Things you see when you live in Spokane. The drunks who sleep in the corners. With a dog even. How you doing? Huh?
How you doing tonight?
Old and ugly.
Don't forget it. Don't forget tonight, man.
Huh?
Please, sir, excuse me, kindly.
Who?
Sir, you. Please don't ever. Yes, good man. How you doing, brother?
Old and ugly.
You know this one?
Yeah.
Peace.
That's I love you.
Right? This is love.
Yeah.
This is peace, right?
Yeah.
You know this one?
A state bird in New York.
Do you know this one?
State bird of Ohio.
Do you know this one?
Yeah, it's the ring finger. It's left over.
Okay, thank you. It wasn't the middle finger, was it?
That's state bird of New York. You all right?
You said New York?
Me?
Yeah.
The middle finger state bird of New York. That's New York. That's Ohio. That's Ohio. That's the ring finger.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, puppy, puppy.
Is your name Nicholas by chance?
No.
No. I was just wondering.
No Nicodemus.
I am. I thought maybe you might be. How you doing tonight, man?
Old and ugly.
Yeah, me too. Very old. I'm very, very old. Way older than I look, brother. No, don't lose that one.
Hey,
People
puppy,
gotta
puppy.
stop raising that one. You have to stop. Don't ever raise that one.
You know what that is,
Ever.
don't you?
Excuse me, sir.
It's the
Excuse
lost
me,
moment
sir.
when they lost
Excuse
the
me,
finger.
sir.
I don't own lander slaves.
Excuse me, sir.
I don't own lander
This
slaves.
is my left hand.
I get that.
Don't ever raise any finger to anyone else ever again in your life. Share this with your friends and family.
Okay.
My name is Nicholas.
Good to see you, Nicholas.
Don't ever raise the middle finger to anyone ever again in your life.
There you go.
Right there.
You know, I gotta go.
What's your name, man?
Slover.
Slowly. My name's Hoots.
Nice to meet you, Hoots.
Thank you, brother.
Stay safe.
Good evening. Hey.
Huh.
I'm gonna walk across the river back to where I started this evening.
Best of luck. Stay safe. And that's how you passively aggressive boo to someone off your sidewalk. And that's how you boo to someone off your sidewalk.
Yeah. Do they? That's weird. Move on.
It's good to see you.
Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on.
Notice it's not me she's talking to.
Fuck you. Move on.
You gotta love love.